Why do cats purr when happy? The answer is more fascinating than you think, revealing secrets about their emotions and even health benefits. Cats often purr when they are happy, relaxed, or feel safe. This purring is not just a random noise, but a deliberate form of communication. When your cat curls up and purrs, it's telling you it feels secure and loved. Interestingly, cats also purr when they are stressed or scared, suggesting purring is a complex emotional signal, not solely linked to happiness. Beyond emotion, purring has a surprising physical benefit. The vibrations created during purring range between 25 and 150 Hz, frequencies that research shows can promote tissue regeneration and reduce pain. This means cats may purr to help their bones heal faster, relieve muscle soreness, and even improve breathing. So your cat's purr is like a built-in healing tool. Cats have adapted their purring to communicate specifically with humans. Some studies suggest that cat purrs contain a special frequency similar to a baby's cry, which can trigger nurturing responses in people. When your cat purrs while looking at you, it might be asking for affection or even a meal. This clever use of purring shows how cats bond closely with humans. So the next time your cat purrs, remember it's more than just happiness. It's a complex signal of comfort, a healing tool, and a way to connect with you. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.